Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olsen and today we're drawing Cinnamon Roll Folding Surprise. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. We're gonna start folding the paper in half. Then we're gonna take the bottom part and fold in half again. Now we're gonna flip it over and fold one more time. And then we're gonna open it, you're gonna flip it, and we're gonna start drawing right here. Hello little artists, today we're gonna draw Cinnamon Roll Folding Surprise. I hope you like this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons like this one. We're gonna draw cinnamon roll characters and we're gonna start with one. It's called Milk. This is like a baby version of cinnamon roll. We're gonna start here in the center of the paper on top of the folding part. And we're gonna do a little circle just like that, and I'm leaving a little bit of a space between the fold and the circle, and then we're gonna do the eyes next to it. We're gonna leave a little bit of a space and we're gonna do an oval shape, and on the other side the same. I'm doing an oval shape, and these oval shapes are little and we're gonna fill them with black. Just gonna do a little lashes here with two little lines on the side, and we're gonna trace a curved line that goes here. We're gonna cross the fold and we're gonna curve until we get the same distance of the eye. Okay, now we're gonna do the same on the other side. We're gonna leave a space. I'm gonna do a curve past the folding part, and I want to stop when I get the same distance of the eye. Now on the top, I want to leave a little bit of a space open, and I want to finish the head by doing a curve that goes to the other side, and again I want to leave it open right here. Now on top of this opening, I want to do the ear, and we're going to start with a curve that goes down and up again a little, cross the folding part and connect with the head. Let's do it again on the other side. We're gonna curve up, coming down a little, up again, cross the fold and connect with the head. Now here in the center where we leave the head open, we're gonna draw his little hands that are kind of like going up. So we're gonna do two upside down letter U, like that. And around these letter U's, we're gonna do two curves. We're gonna start with the first one going on the right side. I'm going curve, and when I get to the center, I'm gonna stop. Now I'm gonna go under this line and curving now up again. Now here we're gonna draw just the feet by doing 1 and 2 U shapes. Okay, and the tail is gonna come on the right side. We're gonna go up and around. Okay, now it's time to open the paper. And we're gonna start with the bottom character. This one is gonna be Cinnamon Roll. And we are going to do first, on top of the fold, we're gonna do the face again. We're gonna start with the mouth with 1 and 2 curves. Next to the mouth, I'm gonna do one oval shape, and I'm gonna do a second oval shape. Now Cinnamon Roll's eyes are blue, so we're gonna leave it white for now. Now we're gonna cross the folding part with the face here, curve, and on the other side the same, curve up. Okay, now we're gonna finish the head. And I'm still gonna leave about 2 finger space between this crease of the paper and the head, okay? And I'm going to do here a curve, and I'm doing the same thing I did on the top. I'm leaving a little bit of a space open here, okay? Now let's repeat the shape of the ear. We're gonna go a little bit up on this folding part. We're gonna curve up, down, up, and connect. Up, down, up, and connect. Okay, Now you should still have a little bit of space here. We're gonna do the next bunny, and this bunny is gonna have the same idea of body here. So we're gonna start with 2 lines, 1 and 2, and I don't get to the fold part. I still have some room. I'm gonna draw the same type of hands with 2 upside down letter U's. Okay. I want to extend my lines a little bit here. I want to try to the lines get at the same distance. And now I'm going to cross the folding part up. Okay, so I'm going to start from this line. I'm going to go up, cross the fold, and stop right there. When I get to the half of this folding part, we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Cross and stop. Now we're gonna leave the same openings that we did here, but before I do that, I wanna draw a flower this bunny has on his head. So I'm gonna leave a little bit of a space, and I'm gonna do small U shapes that go around like that. Now on the other side, I'm gonna leave a space, and I'm gonna start tracing the head line, going to the other side, and connect with the flower. We're gonna draw the face of this bunny by doing 2 U shapes here in the middle. And this one, I wanted to have the mouth open, so we're gonna do a small U shape on the center. We're gonna do 2 oval shapes on the sides. These eyes are gonna be brown, so I'm also gonna leave it white for now, and I add a couple lines for eyelashes. We're gonna repeat the shape of the ear by going down, up, and around. Okay, down, up, and around, and I wanna leave it like that. Now, before I finish this bunny, we're gonna do 1 and 2 half circles here for the hands. And now I can cross the folding part, doing a curved line that is gonna connect with the hands. And the last step is gonna be the ears. I'm gonna cross down the folding part, and it's gonna connect with the head. Cross down and connects with the head. And there, that's it. We finished this cinnamon roll folding surprise. Let's check how it looks when we close it. And this is how it looks when we open. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my character looks like. This is the little milk that we did outside. I add some shadows with a very light color and just a little bit of rosy cheeks here. Now let's check how it looks in the inside. And here are my characters. This is Mocha and this is Cinnamon Roll. I think the coloring part was super easy and I love how they turned out. Remember, you can add some details on the background. You can add some hearts to it. You can use your imagination to finish this picture. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.